Welcome to the in front of me the REALME C31, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the sound section. Now here we got the notification volume panel and ringtone one. Just swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and by this way you will just turn off or mute your notifications. But by this way you will also mute your device ringtones. So if you don't want to mute your ringtones, if you want to stay with them and just to mute your notifications, so I suggest you to go here, scroll down, click to the notification sound, and here switch your currently notification sound just to none. Click then to OK, and as can you see here, we have now set it notification sound, and by this way you will stay with your device ringtones and you will just mute your device notifications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.